that you're supposed to open up. Please.
Hey, little flower. Hello there. Give me a delicious pie, please. Lovely little flowers, come on now, wakey wakey. The sun is shining and a dwarf has come to visit you.
No? Well, all right then. How about I sing to you?
Oh, bloom, bloom, you pretty blue flower. Oh, well. Not even my best mountain ballad did the trick. Fussy plants.
Don't be sad, Torik. You're a dwarf after all. Sing them a true song of the mountains.
Whoa! A golden pastry. Now that's a breakfast fit for a king. Incredible. A golden pastry. Exactly as written in the ancient chronicles.
Careful there, Mr. Historian. Make sure you don't swallow your own beard along with that treat.
Oh, I'm stuffed. Wait. Do you hear that?
It sounds like running water. Let's go check it out.
Wow.
It's so beautiful. The water is glowing, just like a sky full of stars.
Truly like a mirror. I wonder if there are any fish here.
Torik, you're their new lighthouse. Just don't sneeze. Did you see his face?
Stop laughing. It's not funny at all.
Looks like the lake took a liking to you too, Chef.
Just you try. Just you try using my beard as a towel, Blinky.
And stop staring at me like that. I don't have any food. I've been hungry all morning myself.
My golden beard glows brighter with every like. Try it and see. Epic mysteries and more pastries await. Subscribe so you don't miss out.